Welcome to this tutorial on Krion6D. Here is a breakdown on how to use the submittal functionality. Start by navigating to the sidebar and selecting Share. From the list of features, choose Submittal. To create a new submittal, click the Add button in the top right corner. This will open the Add Submittal page where you'll fill in the necessary details step by step. First, toggle the Create as Review option on to treat this as a reviewable submittal. Next, fill in the submittal code with a valid code and provide a title in the name field. Fill in the specs section and sub-spec section with the relevant information, and add a detailed description in the description box. Next, in the Type drop-down, select the appropriate type from the default list, and in the Workflow field, assign the desired workflow. In the Due Date field, select a due date from the calendar view and use the Priority drop-down to assign a priority. Fill in other relevant dates like required date, required approval date, and required on job site date using the calendar options. In the Lead Time field, specify the number of days for lead time, either by typing in the number or using the drop-down. To attach files, use the Attach Package drop-down and select Krion6D files. Here, you can select files like NWD along with other files, such as Review, RFIs, Issues, Transmittal, Submittals, Forms, Tickets, RFA, etc. After all fields are filled, click the Create button to submit the submittal. Once submitted, the newly created submittal will appear in the Submittal List page. You can click the link to view the detailed submittal page. On the Submittals detail page, you'll find the Attachment section, where you can view and download any attached files. In Step 1 of the workflow, the designer will initiate the review process. They will click the Submit Review icon in the Workflow field, which opens the Submit Submittal pop-up screen. In the pop-up, they will set the status drop-down to submit and click Accept to complete their step. In Step 2, the junior manager reviews the submittal and repeats the process. This time, they will select Reject from the status drop-down, add a comment, and click Accept to finish the process. After completion, the submittal's workflow task turns red, indicating that it has been rejected. To review the full workflow history, return to the Submittal List page. You will see the rejected submittal marked in red. For detailed tracking, go to the Workflow Activity Log, where you can see the entire workflow process and status. Thank you for watching.